interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
We at Call of Duty Mobile have been monitoring your gameplay. Certain players of high-level status have earned our attention. You know who you are. Our response is to issue the following challenge. Commencing on June 14th, 16 teams from North America and 16 teams from Europe will be recruited to compete in Call of Duty Mobile Masters. A select few will receive an invitation. The remaining spots will be filled through an open qualifier. After 7 weeks, a victor will emerge in each region, staking claim to their share of $50,000. If you are seeing this, they have deemed you eligible for access to the transmission of this event, the details of which are available here. This is not a test. You have been challenged. Goodbye and good luck.
Hello people, so very good news we had yesterday. So as you saw in the intro, we have a fucking new league in Call of Duty Mobile. This is fucking insane. So actually I made a video in my French channel when they announced the 2021 World Championship. I said that Activision seemed to take esports a bit more seriously this year compared to last year with the Call of Duty Mobile esports YouTube channel, and you know, yesterday they finally fucking announced the Call of Duty Masters, which is gonna be basically a league. So right now I am on the official website, which gives a bit more information on the league. If you want to go on this page yourself, I put a link in the description, so feel free to go. So I'm gonna try to explain to you a bit what I understood. So first of all, there's gonna be 16 teams in NA and EU. So 16 teams, it's a lot, and I don't know about NA, but I know EU, there's not even 10 T1 EU teams. So for them to announce 16 teams that are gonna be in the league is fucking insane. It's actually insane, and it's very good news, I think, for the lower tier 2 teams to have a chance to maybe play against the best and prove not only individually but as a team that you know, they have the potential to beat some tier 1 teams. So it's great. It's great. So how it's gonna work? So first of all, there are gonna be teams that are gonna be invited straight away to the league. So how are the teams gonna get invited? It's gonna be based on certain factors, like they say here. So for now, they give the example of the placements at the 2020 Call of Duty Mobile World Championship regional finals, so stage 4 basically. So this is gonna be a big factor. So I'm pretty sure that all the teams that did participate in the stage 4 in EU are going to be invited. Of course, to be invited, you still need to send an email with proof that you know you have achieved the things. So this is the email. So for example, Kings, who won stage 4 last year, so my team actually, I don't know why I say they, we are going to be invited, of course. Many other teams are going to be invited, but for those who are not getting invited, don't worry, because you're gonna have a chance to qualify for the league. There are gonna be open qualifiers, like they see here, that are gonna be held on the 29th to 30th of May. So in about 20 day-ish, there are gonna be qualifiers. I don't know how you get to play those qualifiers, how you register for the qualifiers. Maybe it's gonna be directly in-game. I don't know, they don't say. But yeah, so don't worry if you don't get invited. You're gonna have a chance to play either way. So regarding the dates, it's gonna start on the 14th of June and it's gonna end on the 12th of July, and it's gonna be basically, there's gonna be matches every Monday. I don't know how the format of the tournament will be. I think it's gonna be a point system like Mobile Mayhem, maybe not the same point system, but something close to it, and the teams with the most points are gonna, I think, qualify for a bracket format, which is gonna be the Masters final, because they do talk about Master final. I don't remember where. Look, Master final broadcast will be revealed at a later date. So I think there's gonna be a few teams that are gonna qualify for the Masters finals, and that is very good news. They don't say it here, but I've heard a lot of rumors saying that the team that is gonna win the Masters finals will have a spot straight to the 2021 World Championship Stage 5. So this is fucking insane. That means that not only you can qualify by winning the Stage 4 in 2021 World Championship, but you can have a spot also to qualify if you win Masters Final. So there are two teams in Europe or NA that will have a chance to play in Stage 5, which is fucking insane. Very good news. Very happy about this. Now, to participate in the tournament, of course, you have to be 18 or older. So, of course, if your birthday is at the latest on the 14th of June, so when the tournament starts, you can play. But if you're gonna be 18 on the 15th of June, you're fucked. Big dick in the ass. Say goodbye. Anyway, another thing. For Europe, there are certain countries that are not eligible to play. For example, Belgium. If you live in Belgium, you're not eligible to play. There are also some new countries that have been added to the list, like Russia and Greece. Russia is quite a big country to have been added. I know there used to be a lot of great players in Russia back in the iPad days. So now that they have a chance to play in official tournaments again, it's great to see. Now I don't know if they're gonna be as great as they were on iPad on phone, but we will see. You know, it's still good news for them, I think. Anyway, that's pretty much it, I think. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like if you haven't already, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.